Attached home, not a condo, low maintenance and immediate possession. Quiet one-street neighborhood just south of 135/Southport Road. Galley kitchen, eat-in kitchen breakfast nook, all appliances included, washer/dryer too. Split bedroom floor plan for extra privacy. Large master bedroom, ensuite bath with double sink vanity, shower stall and an incredible walk-in closet. Sliding patio door from master bedroom onto rear enclosed screened patio. Washer/dryer closet off-hall bath. Sit on the rear enclosed screened patio and enjoy quiet evenings.